Here they are. On the right, in the view, is pumpkin bread. Made using my banana bread recipe and substituting the pumpkin for the bananas. Came out beautiful. Beautiful. I can't wait to have some. And these are oatmeal pumpkin dog biscuits that I just realized I put them in the shape of dog biscuits, and they're, in this case, I made them for the dog. But these are like emergency granola bars. Oatmeal, egg. I put beef bouillon in, and I'll post a link to the recipe I followed. Oatmeal, egg, beef bouillon, just a little bit of salt, and then I added to that recipe, I didn't substitute anything, I added about a half a cup of pumpkin. And like I said, I put them in dog bone shape. They just came out of the oven. But these are completely edible by people. This is an emergency granola bar. There's nothing in here that can hurt you. It's all good stuff. So these are two ways to use your garden pumpkin. Now you could put these in just plain little square shapes so you don't freak your kids out, and make granola bars. You could add raisins. You could add nuts. Make emergency granola bars. But adding the pumpkin adds all those vitamins. And this, how can you go wrong with this? How can you go wrong with this? So I've actually asked a friend who's going shopping anyway. Of course, everybody else has pumpkins out for Halloween. My neighbors, they have 4 big, huge pumpkins on their back step. I don't know why. I've asked somebody to pick some up at the store for me because I'm going to be doing baking.